So here for Tuesday for our language arts, we are going to learn how to avoid fragments. So a fragment is a group of words that is not a complete sentence, but is written incorrectly with a period at the end. So we did learn a few examples of fragments earlier, but here are some new ones. When the game is over, period. Well, when the game is over what? We don't know because it's just a fragment. Now here is a sentence. When the game is over, comma, I must go home. Well, there is a statement. Leaping over the net, period. What is leaping over the net? Or what happens leaping over the net? Well, here is a sentence. Leaping over the net, Ed broke his arm. The closest friend that I ever had, period. Well, who was? Billy is the closest friend that I ever had, sentence. So in my opinion, avoiding fragments and correcting them is even easier than correcting a run-on sentence. So what you're going to do for Think A is you're going to write S before each group of words below that is a sentence. Write F before each group of words that is a fragment. So if it is not a complete idea, you're just going to write F. Reading them out loud helps, but I'm pretty sure you'll have an easy time deciding. Now, here for Think B, you're going to do the same thing, except now you also have RO for run-on. So you will write F for fragment if the idea is not complete. You will write RO for run-on, which means a sentence that is missing a comma and a conjunction. It is just idea after idea without a separation. Or S for a correct sentence. So here for Tuesday's spelling assignment, we are looking at plural nouns and irregular plural nouns. And this exercise is going to be pretty easy. So it says plural nouns name more than one person, place, thing, or idea. We know that. Irregular plural nouns do not follow regular patterns, meaning the plural doesn't have an S or ES as usual. So for number 1, you're going to find the one word that adds only an S to make it plural. And it's important to know that all of these words are made plural. All of them. All of them mean more than one. So for number 1 only, find the one word that just uses S, not ES or anything. For numbers 2 through 6, you're going to write the words that add ES after CH, S, SH, or X. So any words from your pattern word list that add an ES, but they come after CH, S, SH, or X. Those will go in numbers 2 through 6. For 7 through 9, you're going to write the words that change the Y to an I and add ES. So any words that you notice have an I before the ES at the end, those would go in 7 through 9. And then 10 through 12 will be irregular plurals. So you have 3 words that don't follow those rules, that don't end in S or ES. And you're going to write those 3 in 10 through 12. Your content word exercises are as usual.